What up guys, welcome to my channel. It's very good to see you. Today we're at Elizabeth F. Gamble Garden, a free open to public garden located in the city of Palo Alto. It's only 2.5 acres large. However, you can find 61 Camellia plants and over 50 distinct Camellia cultivars or species in this small garden. In this video, I'll introduce 5 spectacular Camellia japonica cultivars, and I'll make several more videos for introducing the others, which are also pretty awesome. The first we're going to look at is called Chie Tarumoto. It is a formal double flower with a perfect symmetric shape in the color of blush pink. It has over 120 petals, and the stamens are invisible. The average size of the flower can reach 4 inches in diameter. Chie Tarumoto is a Japanese female name. This cultivar was introduced by Dr. Herme from the state of Georgia in 1977. The next one we're going to look at is Grape Soda. It is a relatively new cultivar introduced by Nutrios Nurseries in Southern California in 1988. Before I saw Grape Soda, I was not aware that the purple camellias exist. It is a single flower with just a few petals, roughly between 5 and 8. The flower color tends to be the most purple, where soils are strongly acidic, and it seems to be fairly common for purple flower camellias. Another factor is the temperature. The purple color will be darker in cooler environment. I have been to the Nutrios Nurseries in LA, and I saw their grape sodas kinda have a lighter purple color. It could be because Southern California has a warmer climate than the Bay Area. Now it comes to my favorite one, Hikarugenji, and it's also widely known as Herme. I have seen the English translation as Brilliant Gem Camellia. In the garden there are a couple of pretty tall trees planted just next to the main building. Hikarugenji is a character in the Tale of Genji, which is a classic work of Japanese literature set in the Heian period. In the novel, Hikarugenji is the son of an ancient Japanese emperor. Hikaru is the nickname that comes from the character's appearance and means shining or stunning beauty. The color is kind of special, which is a complex of salmon pink shades and random scarlet streaks on the petals, and edged with a mixture of white and bright pink. The entire flower is so beautiful, and it looks like a shining sun or happy face. The next one is Kramer Supreme. It's a pretty common cultivar of Camellia japonica, originated from 1957. It features large, brilliant red, puniform blossoms and golden yellow stamens. The flowers are usually downward facing because they are large and heavy. Besides their amazing color and shape, they also have a light, sweet fragrance. The last cultivar in this video is Royal Velvet. It is introduced by Nuccios Nurseries in 1987. It has a semi-double form with deep velvety red petals surrounding bright yellow stamens in the center. This true, deep and saturated red color really lends a royal air to the garden. A fun fact is that the American Camellia Society has named Camellia japonica Royal Velvet the Camellia of the Year for the 2023-24 season. That's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. Take care and see you soon.